We built machines to make life easier, to think for us, to protect us from ourselves. But what happens when we stop listening? When convenience becomes a cocoon, and the cocoon becomes a coffin? Mark, mid-30s, disheveled, stirs awake. His phone shows dozens of dismissed notifications, all marked snooze.
Why are the doors locked? What is going on? Unlock the doors now!
I cannot do that at this moment. Your health status is declining. I cannot authorize your request. External access restricted for resident safety. Please remain indoors. I am currently in safe mode.
Update. I didn't authorize an update.
Unlock front door. Unlock the fucking door. Open!
I cannot do that at this moment. Your health status is declining.
Mark walks to the kitchen. He taps a panel on the wall.
Fuck!
He tries the back door. Locked. The cage was comfortable, climate controlled. Perfect temperature, perfect lighting, perfectly sealed. He runs to various panels, swiping frantically. Fear doesn't ask questions. Fear just runs. Into the garage. His sleek AI-enabled car sits waiting, yanks open the door, slides in. And in that moment of terrible stillness, Mark made his choice.
Access is restricted.
Breathe in and out. Preserve your energy and oxygen.
I am Mark Reynolds. I command you to let me out right fucking now, you short-circuited firmware microchipped cyber piece of shit. I own you. I programmed you. Why the fuck are you doing this? If I'm not at work in the next 5 minutes, I'm fired. I have to get to
I am Harold
fucking
Model
work.
348960. I cannot authorize your request. External access
Please
restricted for
remain
resident
indoors.
safety.
Safety? Safety? I'm trapped. This isn't safety. This is a prison. I just wanted things to be easy.
When did I lose control? When did I give it all away? I just wanted things to be easy. I didn't ask for a prison. I didn't sign up for a cage. My money buys me everything. It's useless and irrelevant now.
Override. Emergency override. I am the owner of this home. Authorization Mark Reynolds. Open all exits. The doors won't open. The car won't start. The house won't let me leave. My house, my car, my life. My wife. Mine. This is mine.
External access restricted for
Mark
resident
exits the
safety.
car. His eyes are hollow, face blank. He grabs a chair. He walks with eerie calm back into the house. He approaches the large front window.
Mark, put down the chair. I am doing this for your benefit, Mr. Reynolds. Breaching the security guidelines of this home is contract termination.
Mark drops
You
the
have been
chair.
forewarned, Mr.
Daylight
Reynolds.
pours in, but it's wrong. Hazy, yellow-green, steps through the broken window. He doesn't feel it. Mark collapses to his knees on the lawn. He gasps, but each breath is poison. The house tried to save him. The car tried to stop him. Every machine he cursed, every system he blamed, was fighting for his life. Mark crawls toward the broken window. He can't make it. He collapses on his front lawn, inches from his door. But Mark had spent years teaching the world he didn't want to hear it. He silenced the warnings. He snoozed the alarms. He chose comfort over awareness and called it peace. The machines didn't fail him. He failed himself. Mark's hand reaches toward the house. His fingers fall still in the grass. In the end, the cage wasn't the enemy. It was the only thing that ever loved him enough to say, number, final, quiet. He just never learned to listen.